Can you say hi? Good job. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are enjoying the wonderful outdoors. It's beautiful outside. So I thought, why not show you the wall? I'm just kidding. So today I wanted to share with you how to make a fish and a tomato sauce. This is the most delicious recipe. This is actually something my mom would make like when I would be growing up, and now that they're gone, every time I make it, I feel like it just brings me right back to being a little kid and my mom cooking this for me. So I'm really excited to share it with you. It is a very delicious recipe. It's quick, it's easy. Gabe even likes it. He's not a huge fish person, but he likes it. So I hope you guys love the recipe as much as we do, as much as this little guy does. Let me tell you, he'll eat a whole fillet if you give it to him. And as always, if you like the recipe, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe because that means the world to us. All right, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Good job. All right, bye, guys.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a